Okay, so let's move on to class. So last class we had discussed about some of the commands, right? What is grep command? What is the egrep command? And what is fgrep command, right? So for searching and all, so mostly we are using that grep and all, grep or egrep or fgrep. But so this egrep and fgrep almost duplicated with the help of grep only. If you want to whatever you want, so we can search the string. We can search the string. Okay, so that case mostly we are using grep command. Intro also very important. So most of the people, so they are asking so related to grep command. One question related to grep, how to search string, how to search string, and so those and already right, few options all. Can you see my screen? I hope you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So mostly in interview also many people asking grep command how to search. So that there is many options available, right? So that is depends on our requirement. We can pass any arguments. So we can pass any arguments. So anyone any doubt so related to grep command? Clear? Clear, right? Anyone any doubt? Yes or no? Yes. Hello? Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay. So now yesterday also we seen, right, what is cut command. So what is cut command? So if you want to extract the data, so if you want to extract data, and so that case mostly we go for cut command, right? So if you want to extract the data, so I have a file. So I have a file. If you want to, I have a file. I have some data, and right now I don't have, right, VI. Just I'm giving some data. So I'll yes. Okay, I means insert. Just I'm giving some names and all, and so same, right? Okay, okay. I given something. So this is my data. So this is my data. So this is my data, and so if you want to set, if you want to so print, so what data, which line and all. So that case mostly we are using cut command. So if you want to print the particular what from which character to which position to which position. So if you want to extract data, this is my data. So this is my data. If you want to extract, already right, cut space. If you want to only characters, that case we can give C. And if you want to pass range and all, for example, I want to print only 5 to 6 and a file name, 5 to 6 and file name. It will print only so those many characters only, those many characters only. And also we can see, right, so from specific columns I don't want, so that case also we can pass it. So that case also, so we can pass it. So already last we seen, right? If you want to print that particular column name, so right now we have only two columns. So right now I have only two columns. So this is the name is the one column and course is the one column. Here I miss it to here space is there. Let me edit vi VA so data dot so txt, and so delimiter right now I didn't use anything, right? So we can use semicolon, or yesterday I used pipe symbol. So yesterday I used pipe symbol, right? Or we can use semicolon also. We can use semicolon also or comma also. That is your wish. But compare it to semicolon, comma. So this is look and right. So this is the pipe symbol mostly I used. Okay. So how many columns you want? We can add it. So once that is done, and so once that is done, let me add. If you want to add any other columns also, we can add it. If you want to add any other columns also, we can add it. So escape colon x, escape colon x, cat space so data dot txt. Now with the help of cut command, so with the help of hyphen c character and also hyphen, right, we can use delimiter. or directly we can use hyphen D. Hyphen D means delimiter. So based on what we want to split, I want to based on pipe symbol, I want to split, and what is the field, hyphen field, right? Hyphen F, and which column. Right now I have only two, so that is the reason I given two. Now it will print only. So now it will print. So it will print only. So that column. Now it will print only that column. It will print only so that column only. Okay, cut space hyphen D, that is pipe hyphen F to data dot txt. So you know, right? Meeting lo manager. Meeting. Now anyone any doubt? So this and all clear, right? Now so already we seen, and if you want to skip specific columns and all, so already last class we seen, right? Complement. If you don't want, so I don't want, so skip, I don't want some specific columns, so that case hyphen so complement, complement. So complement, I don't want, so I don't want any specific column, I don't want the second, it will print only first column, it will print only first column, it will print only first column. So already last class we seen. Anyone any doubt here? Now there is one more command, paste command. So now let me come to here, let's paint. Now cut already you know, so cut command already you know, so this is come to here, and cut, so you know, right, this is the cut command. Cut, we are using a space, or we can use a cut hyphen, so delimiter, we are using some delimiter, and also if you want to field and a field number position we are passing, and file name, and so file, and so file name also we given, file name also we given, right? So this is, now one more option is there is a paste command, you know, right? What is paste command? What is paste command? So if you want to join two or more files, so horizontally, so that case we can use so paste command. So paste command, I want to add, for example, I have one file, so a.txt, and I have one more file, b.txt. So in a.txt I added some names, so here I am, so for example a b b b, and I added cc. And if you come to here, so b dot, in b.txt file, b.txt file, I am going to add some data, I am going to add some data, for example I am giving some amount and all. So now this is different file, and this is also different file. Now I want to add both files horizontally, I want to add both files horizontally. So that case we are using so paste command. So that case we are using a paste command. This is different file, this is different file. So in a file I have one column, in b file I have another column. Now I want to add these two columns in a separate file. So we want to, if you want to add, so that case we can use so that case we can use, that case we can use so paste command. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Now let me see practically how it will work. Now see here, let me come to here, so now vi a dot txt, vi a dot txt, insert names, for example I given aa, bb, cc, and dd, and also e, whatever you want, so we can add it. Just this is one column, escape colon x, save the file, cat space, cat space, cat space a dot txt. Now we can see the data, right? So now we can see the data, now we can see that data. Okay, now I'm going to create one more file, vi b dot txt. Okay, now I given so insert faces, and so I given one, now two, now three, now four. Now how many columns I added there? How many rows? Five only, right? A file. Five or six? A B C D E. Six. Okay. Now added. Okay. Escape colon X. Now this is a cat space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here also added, right? B dot so txt, B dot txt. Now added. Now I want to add. This is a different file. This is the one file, and this is also another file. Now I want to add these two columns separate file. So very simple. PAST face space a dot txt and so b dot txt, and I want to add this data so another file. Okay, another file. So out dot txt I given like this. Now clear, guys? Now paste. So in a dot txt I have one column. B dot txt I have another one column. Correct? So these two data I want to combine. I want to join. I want to join horizontally. Horizontally. Okay. Now check it how it will work. Now it is created ls. Now see here cat space out.txt. Now see here, but rows and columns should be matched. Otherwise it won't work. Now clear? Now actually this is the a.txt file data. This is the b.txt file data. Now what is the command? Paste. Paste. So file names, and so I am storing into the, so which file? Out.txt file. Now we can see both data, right? Clear, Shravani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that case we can use paste command, but mostly interval and all no one is asking, just we are iterating. Okay, so this is the paste and all. If you want to combine, so multiple columns, so different files, so that case we mostly we go for paste command. Next there is one more command, translate command, tr command. Tr, so tr is nothing but a translate. Tr is nothing but a translate. This is also very simple only, paste command and tr. So tr means so what is this? Translate. Translate. Suppose I have a lower case, I want to convert to uppercase. For example, I have a uppercase, I want to convert to lower case. So that case mostly we go for mostly we go for mostly we go for so this is the tr command. Now observe here. So this is my file, right? This is my file. So what is tr cat space? So now cat space a dot txt. This is my file. So all are in lower case. I want to change to uppercase. So how to change it? So this is the command tr space. So tr space. I want to change. I want to change the sum. For example, I am giving a sum. Okay, alphabetic whatever you want. Now I am giving so wherever a b c d e f. Okay, I want to change to uppercase. I want to change to uppercase. F. Okay. Now, so now what is the file? Which file? What is which file? A file, right? A dot txt. A dot txt. Now see here. So now see here. So that n and m is not available. Now understand, guys. Now see here. First name is there. Here I given only I want to change A B C D E F to capital A B C D E F. So but here if you see here only n is small letter, m also small letter, because here I didn't mention any small letter, correct? So specifically if you want to change, if you want to translate uppercase to lowercase to uppercase, so that case we can pass like this. Now one more way, write regular expressions. So how to pass regular expressions? This is very very simple, right? How to pass regular expressions? tr space tr space a hyphen z and a hyphen small lowercase. I want to change it to which letter? Now clear, right? Now A to Z. I want to change it to uppercase. Uppercase. Uppercase means small a hyphen Z. Hyphen Z. Now see here. Now all are changed or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear, Ramesh? What's Ravan? Shivaji?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So that case mostly we go for so this and all. So mostly we go for, there is multiple ways we can pass it wherever you want. So this is the, if you want to change AS to A, whatever, whenever if you want to translate translate lower to upper, upper to lower, and which letter to which letter, and so that case mostly we go for tr command. Tr is nothing but translate command. Okay, but you are understanding, we can easily understand it. Clear? So anyone any doubt? So these are the cut to paste and tr command. So cut to paste and tr command. I hope you got it right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now today we'll see uh, find command. Now we know how to search it, right? So now we know how to search it. So now we know how to search. If you want with the help of grep command, so with the help of grep command, we can search. We can search, right? Now I want to find the file. I want to find the file. I want to find the file command. There is one more command is there, find command. So there is one more command is there, find command. I want to find files. There is a find, and so locate also is there. But locate and all mostly we are using for database and all. But mostly in Linux we are using find for find the files, for find the directories. So that case mostly we are using find command. So interview also many people asked this one also, how to find whether that file is available or not, how to find that file is available or not, how to find so that right direct, so in the directory my file is available or not. So that case mostly we go for find command. So that case mostly we go for find command. Okay, so find is mostly finding the find the directories or files and directories present in our working directory or wherever you want, so we can check it. So wherever you want, so we can check it. Okay, so anyone any doubt of find command? Find command already grep command. So already grep command. Same way, so there is a grep is for searching the string and all. So grep command and all search the string and all. But now I want to use I want to find only files and a particular working directory wherever so we have that file or right particular directory or particular your working system. So that case mostly we can use find command. So now if you come to here, there is many arguments we can pass it. Now if you see here, find space hyphen help. So if you want to search only, if you want to search only hyphen type, that is we can use hyphen f. F represents a file and D represents a directory. And so where is that? Print, only print, delete and all. Mm, mm, we can check those test and neighbors. Now we can pass this many so arguments we can pass it. Find hyphen h we can pass, hyphen l we can pass, hyphen p we can pass, d tree search state. So these are the parameters we can pass it. So default path is current working directory. So if you search anything by default it is checking so the current working directory only, the current working directory only. And if you want to search other area, so that case we can give. So search by only file. If you want to search only, we can search files. If you want to, we can search files, or if you want to, we can search directories also. If you want to, we can search directories also, or search by only files. If you want to, we can search only files. We can search only files, or we can search only directories, or else we can search by file name also. We can search by file name also. Search by file name also we can pass it, or we can use a search by size also we can use. Search by size also we can use. There is multiple ways we can use it. Multiple ways we can use it. So that is based on our requirement. That is based on our requirement. Based on your requirement. Okay. Now, now I am in check it. Currently I am in which directory? Now see here. Coming to here, find. So now here I am giving first let me try it pwd. Pwd means present working directory. Now I am in super user, right? Now I am in super user. Let me come outside this directory, cd dot dot. Now ls. Now these are the default directory structures available in our Linux machine or Ubuntu or CentOS. Now I want to find I want to find all files and directories, any one directory. These are the directory, right? Let me check any one. For example, see here, find space find space. I want to search etc directory. How many files? How many directories? What is right? etc means all configuration files under here only. There is one directory etc. Now if you see here, how many files, how many directories available, we can check it. See here, so these many files available. Now got it, guys? So like this we can pass find space directory. Just now I given only directory name. Now if I give find space, now let me check it. Now I want to check OPT. In OPT, do we have any files or directories? Find space, I given OPT. OPT. Now see here. So these are the default files and directories available. Now wherever if you want to search, okay. So that case we can give that specific directory name. Now clear, guys? So this is the only files. So directly simply if you want to search, this is the one way. Find space directory name. Now if you give this name, what it will display? It will display all files. It will display all files and directories in the specific directory. So here I pass a directory name. Under this directory, how many files, how many directories we have, we can check it. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? So these are the find. This is the find command. Now got it, guys? Got, Sharon?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me use one other way. How to, there is multiple ways we can use it. Now, so now come to create or any one directory or check it and we can check it. So for example, so if we give find space, now I give an etc directory. etc means now it will check, see here, this is the there is right one arguments. It is checking etc. This is the root directory. This is the subdirectory. This is also subdirectory. It is checking all directories and all, right? I don't want check like this. There is a max depth option is available. Find it will search all depth levels. How many levels you want to search? So that case also we can pass it. Now I am searching all levels. Now see here, etc. This is a subdirectory and this is a file. etc docker is a subdirectory. This is a file, and we are checking. See, this is the root directory. This is subdirectory. Under this is subdirectory. So we are checking all levels. Sir, I don't want to search all levels. So see here how many levels is there? One level, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level, like this. I don't want to search all levels. I want to display only some particular level for top level or sub level. So that case find space and find space. Now we are giving so dot means current directory. Dot means represents current working directory. Hyphen. So hyphen. This is the max. We can pass one argument. Max dp is depth. D max 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 de, what is spelling d depth, dep depth space, and so we are giving so two levels only. Now it is checking, see here, only two level. I don't want to all levels. We it is checking only two level. See here, suppose no, I want to check so four levels. So now what is the find space? Dot represents current working directory. I am checking only current work directory. Or I want to search space dot etc. Okay, hyphen max max dep depth. I want to I want to I want to uh, three levels or four levels. Now see here, it is checking four levels. So anyway here up to it is checking four levels only. Up to it is checking four levels only. So that case we can pass one more argument. What is that arguments? Max depth. What is that arguments? So if you want to check level, how many directories, subdirectory and all, find and dot represents current working directory, or directory we can give any path also. So here I given etc hyphen max dp depth and how many levels, two or three or four, whatever you want. So that case we can use that max. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so now there is a two more type. Mostly we are using this one only. So hyphen type F. F represents only files. I want to search only files. Only files. Suppose if you want to search only directories, hyphen type. Here we need to pass D. D means only directories. Only directories. So mostly we are using this one only. So these all are optional, but anyway we need to know, right? So now so hyphen type F means only files. Hyphen type D means only directories. Only directories. So that case we can use some directory path and all where you want to find. So where you want to find. Okay. So now can you see this one? So this is the we can pass F or F means files, D means directories. F means file, D means directories. F means file, D means directories. Now clear guys? Now see here. I am so right now where I am in? I am in here. So I am in RCD space etc. I am in etc directory. So I have many files. Now I want to search it. So how to check it? Find, find, find space hyphen type. Now I am given only F. F represents files. Now it will display only files. No. I want to display directories also. Now that case, what is the command? Now see here. Find. Okay. Hyphen type. Now I am giving D. D represents only directories. Only directories. Now confusion, right? Let me come to create our own directories and all. Now I'm giving so mk. Now I want to create so multiple directories and all. So how to create multiple directories and all, you know, right? So how to create multiple directories and all. For example, mkdir. I want to create multiple directories. For example, dev. This is the dev under dev1 under dev and so dev2 and see dev3 directory and so dev4 and so dev4 and dev5. You know, right? How many directories it will create? How many directories?
Sir, six.
How many?
Six, sir.
Six.
Six. Five,
Six.
right? Total, total six. Now check it.
Yeah.
Now see here. So which is the root? Which is the root? This is the root. CD space dev. This is the root, right? Under we can say now CD space dev1 ls and CD space dev2 ls. Now see here CD space. Now we can see this is a path or else let me come outside. Now I'm in a root path. Super user. I don't have anything here. Now let me create here. Okay, mkdir hyphen p. So now I want to create. So now I am giving so dev1 under dev1 under dev2 under dev2 I want to dev3 under dev3 I want to dev4. That's it. Here anyone any doubt? ls. Now see here dev1 is the one directory dev1. So under dev1 we can say dev2 cd space dev2. So this is the hierarchy, correct? So dev2. Now I created so multiple directories. Now let me create files also. Now come outside. Now come outside. Now I am in here. Now I want to create same. I want to create so under this directory I want to create some files also. If you want to files, we can create that file also. Now where we want to create C touch space touch touch space. Now I want to create files. So file1.txt or file2 multiple files. File rf1 or I am giving some array also. I want to 5 files. Okay, txt dot txt. So how many files it will create? How many files it will create? 5 files, right? Clear? Any doubt here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, now clear. Now let me search only files. Type hyphen find. What is the command? I want to display only files. Find space hyphen type F. What is F? What is F? Only. What is F?
Only five.
Only files,
Files.
sir.
Find only
Now
files.
I want to display only directories. I want to display only directories. Find space hyphen
D.
type D. That's it.
D.
No, I don't want files, sir. I want to only directories. I want to only directories. So now we got it, right? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, that's way. If you want to search only files and only directories, now we can use it. Now we can use hyphen type. No. I want to search. I want to search by file name. If you want to search only file name, so that case also we can use it. So that case also we can use it. Now let me check it. Now this is my directory. Now, in current directory, whether f1.txt file available or not, I want to check it. So now how to check it? So that case, so we can pass like this. Now see here, find data. What is dot here? Current working directory. What is dot here? Current working directory. Space hyphen name. I am giving so f1.txt whether this file is available or not. Now see here, available or not. Suppose if you want to print all files directories, that case hyphen type we are space f hyphen type we are giving D. Now I want to search a particular file. I want to search a particular file. Now what is the command? I want to search a particular file. What is the command? Find find space directory name. Here I want to search hyphen name and also file name. Now clear guys? Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Particular file. Now see here, I want to search particular file. Find dot. Dot represents what is dot here? Current working directory. That means here, here. Root. Root లోనే చెక్ చేస్తుంది. Current working directory means present where I am in same. Okay, that is the meaning. Dot represents current working directory. Don't confuse here. Dot represents current working directory. So dot represents, dot means current working directory. Working directory. Okay, dot represents current working directory. Clear guys? Now check it. Now find dot hyphen name. What is the file name? For example, I am checking markunda.txt whether this file is available or not. Check it. If you are not getting any output, what is that meaning? There is no file.
That is no file
No file.
available.
Now if I give, for example, now I want to check so file2.txt, file2.txt. Now check it whether file is available or not.
Available, sir.
Okay, now I want to search directory. Now see here, find space data hyphen name. Directory means so that case we can use so dev directory. I want to search dev directory hyphen name, and what is the file name? f1.txt. Now check it. I don't have any file. Which directory? Where it is finding? Anyone guess it? It is searching f1.txt. ఏ path లో సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నది? Which path? What is the path here? /dev. ఈ డైరెక్టరీలో f1.txt ఫైల్ ఉందా లేదా సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నది. Now clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to create a one file. Let me check it. cd space or dev1, right? So dev1. Now I'm go to here and touch the space. So dev apps dev ops.txt. I given on file. Now file is available. Touch space. Okay. So touch space. I given some names. Okay. Now anyway, now come outside. Now clear the screen. Okay. Now find class. What is the directory name? ls dev1, right? Clear. Okay. Now find slash dev1 hyphen name and I'm searching so devops.txt. Now, which directory it is searching? This file name under the dev1 directory. Which directory?
Dev1 directory.
Now see here,
No
dev,
such file.
wait, something same path one, right? pwd ls cd space. Okay, we are in correct only. Now cd slash. This is the directory name only, right? No find. Let me check it. Current directory. Current means this is a current directory. Okay. Okay. So now if you give like this also directly we can check it. So where this file is available, here also we can see that path. Anyway, I am in current directory. In current directory, so dev1 dot directory is there. Under dev1, so this file is available. Now can you see that path? Clear? ఈ dev అనేది ఎక్కడ ఉంది? కరెంట్ డైరెక్టరీలోనే ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ pwd. సో మేము ఇక్కడే ఉంది. ఈ డైరెక్టరీ కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉంది? సేమ్ పాత్ లో ఉంది, రైట్? నౌ సీ
Yes,
హియర్
sir.
dev1 ఉంది. సో dev1 లో సో డైరెక్ట్ లో వీఆర్ మెన్షనింగ్ ఫైండ్ డాట్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ కరెంట్ వర్కింగ్ డైరెక్టరీ. సో ఇక్కడ అన్ని డైరెక్టరీ చెక్ చేస్తుంది. స్పేస్ అండ్ సో ఐఫన్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఫైల్ నేమ్. ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఐ గివన్. సో నౌ చెక్ ఇట్ వెదర్ దిస్ ఫైల్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్. అవైలబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్? అవైలబుల్. సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ రాంగ్ నేమ్. మార్కండ్ 1. ఈజ్ ఇట్ అవైలబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్? దిస్ ఫైల్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Available, sir.
ఉందా? మార్కొండ 1.txt. 1 not మార్కొండ.
No, sir.
Not
So we are
available.
not getting
Not
any
available.
output. We are not getting any output. So we are not getting any output. Now, so this case mostly we are using. So this is the find command. So this is the find command. In interview also many people asked. Okay. So how to search? That particular file? So if you want to search a file, so we need to give find space and our directory name, and we can also give that path and all. Okay. So anyone any doubt here as of now?
No, sir.
Okay. So mostly we are using so this command only, and so if you want to give file name, that case also directly -f also we can mention. So now we'll see a different way also we can search it. Now we know, right, this pattern. Now we'll search another way. Find. Okay. Find slash. Okay. Now I'm giving which directory I want to search here. We'll check it whether it will, and hyphen typ type d, hyphen type d, right? Hyphen type d, that is a directory, and hyphen name, and I want to display all files .txt files. I want to check it. I find dev hyphen type. Anyway, this is also same path, right? Now no need to mention here. I am using so dot t. We don't have anything. Type equal to d. Same one, right? Hyphen type equal d. So it will represent all directories. Where is this hyphen d? Hyphen d. So already available, right? Hyphen d. Hyphen d space hyphen space hyphen name. I want to display only text files. I want to display text files. Star dot
End of this dot, sir. TXT dot dot, sir.
t. I given txt, right? Text file only, right? What is my file
End
extension?
of this
Text.
dot, sir.
Star dot
TXT, sir.
txt, correct only. This way only. But something. Okay, let me give star dot. Now we are getting a star dot only directories. Directories name. Only we are hyphen D, right? So now I need files, right? Sorry. Files means we need to give hyphen F, right? So that case we need to give. D means directory, right? So txt. Now we can see that files. Correct? What is hyphen F means file, right? F means files. D means directory, right? Now in this case, it will display only directories. So now see here, find. Okay, I given dot hyphen type. What you want? Only directories. Hyphen name. Directory names and all I want to display. That's it. Here I given star. That's it. If you give star also enough. Star also enough. See here, all directories it will display. Only directories. So only directories. Now if you want to, we can give like this also. So now if you give like this also, now see here, same thing only. Both are same only. But specifically if you want to file names and all, so that case hyphen F and hyphen name and so I want to display star dot txt. If you want to display only text files. Now see, it will display text files also. Now clear? Both are same only, but different ways we can check find it. Both are same only, but different ways we can find it. Clear, guys? So anyone any doubt here?
Clear.
Okay. So mostly we can use a find. This is very very important. Find command and also grep command. Now one more command is there, scd command. This is also very very important. Scd. So this is also very very important. Scd command. This is also very very important. Okay. So interview mostly they are asking so these commands only. So these are the very very important. Now we know what is grep command and how it will work a grep command and all. So how it will work a grep command and all. And also you know right. So and also we know right what is find command and how to search file. How to search you know right. What is this? Find how to search files and how to search directories and all. So how to search directories and all. Now there is one more command is there, scd command. So in interview, so many people asked, this is a very very important command, sir. Scd stream editor. Scd is nothing but stream editor. So this is also very very important. In interview, many people asked this command. So scd. So what is scd? Scd nothing but stream editor. Stream so editor. ST is nothing but stream editor. So with the help of this command, what we will do? So what is the main purpose? You know, right? Find command. So what if someone is asking what is grep command? Global search, right? If you want to search any string, if you want to search any string, so that case mostly we go for grep command or egrep command or fgrep command. Now what is find command? Find the files and directories, whether my file is available or not, whether my directory is available or not. So that case mostly we are using find command. These are very very important, guys. Find, grep, find, find, already you know find command and already you know grep command also. Now so we'll see what is scd command. Now scd means nothing but stream editor. Stream editor. What is this command? Retrieve and edit the data. So that given file. For example, I have one file. I want to replace some data. I want to replace some data. So that case also we can use. And I want to delete some content. So that case also we go for specific lines, specific data. So that case mostly we go for scd command. Stream editor. What is this? Stream editor. So stream editor. We can delete and we can update and based on your depends on your requirement. Depends on your requirement. So generally, if you want to edit the some content, which command we are using? I want to edit the file. What is the command we are using?
VI, sir.
VA command. Generally, right? For example, I want to delete fourth line from the file, or I want to replace the content. So now see here, cat space data.txt. I have this data. Now I want to replace name. I want to replace name, or I want to replace path. I want to replace Rama name. So how can I replace? Go to VA and we can replace one line, right? Suppose Rama is many places available. Now let me come here. VI data.txt. Data.txt. Now I want to copy this line. Now how to copy? You know, right? Copy means YY. You know, right? Copy means YY. How to paste this? How to paste? Shortcut key.
P, sir.
I want to
Shift.
paste, guys. I want to paste.
Shift and
How to paste it? Now
P, sir.
y copy means YY. Now coming to here. So now coming to that line, I want to copy this record. YY means copy. I want to paste somewhere. How to paste it? P, right? P, P. Machpinara. Paste means P. Copy means YY. If you want to delete DD, shortcut keys. Anyway, so slowly we can understand. Just practice it. Now I have a Marconda. See how many times is there. I want to replace Marconda. How can replace? Now go to edit. Can I do like this? One or two places, okay, we can manually change it. For example, 100 times available, 100 occurrences, 100 times, 100 lines available. How to replace 100 times? That is very difficult, right? Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that case, mostly we go for SCD command. SCD, stream editor. If you want to update the content or if you want to delete the lines or whatever it may be, depends on your requirement. So some of the cases we can use this SCD command. This SCD command. Okay. For example, now I want to print only second line. What is the second line here? This is the second line, right? Correct. I
Yes,
want
sir.
to print only this line. Now we know how to print column wise. Now I want to print line row wise. How to print? So now we go for SCD command. Now check it. Now see here SCD space SCD space. Which line you want to print, guys? Which line? Second line, right?
Second line, sir.
Next, what is the file name? Data.txt. What happened? Only second line, right?
Yes, sir. Second line,
Two times. How many times occur? It is displaying two times, right? Let me edit. Clear. SCD. I want to first cat space data.txt. Okay. What is unique line? Rama. This is the unique line, right? Let me print Rama. Which line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, right? So SCD space 4. P means print, guys. P means print data.txt. Data.txt. Where it is? Rama. This is first line. What is first line? This one. Third, fourth lines, right? Rama.
yes, sir. Two times display
Total
అవుతున్నాయి కదా
file
సార్?
content. It will display two times only. It will display
Yes,
two
sir.
times. Two times. Now, anyway, it is display two times only. Correct only. But it is displaying all content, right? Now we'll use one more command. We'll use one more argument. Uh, Only specific line. Okay, I forgot to mention specific line, right? Specific line means so that is okay. And what is the line number, right? Hyphen n we need to use. Hyphen n. So we need to use. Okay. So it will display line which contains so that specific part. Now see here, correct? So only which fourth line. So that case we need to mention hyphen n line number.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. So line number. Otherwise it will display two times double time. Double time it will print. So here only specific line. If you want to print a specific line, so that case we need to give hyphen n. Now I want to so second line. P means print. P means print. Don't confuse here. Now see here only second line. Suppose I want to print only first line. So now, so here we need to give that position only, which row number, now got it? Now clear? Now
Yes,
I
sir.
want to display last line, right? So three, so yesterday we discussed, right? There is first last cap symbol, next one more last line, last character, dollar, correct? This is start of the line, this is the end of the line, correct? Last class we
Yes,
discussed,
sir.
right? Cap symbol, start
Yes,
of the
sir.
line, end of the line. Okay, now based on this I want to search it. Now search it here. Now I want to uh, print so last line. So before that let me check it, cat space data.txt. So what is the last line? This line, right? Or this is last line means empty here. Now check it, cat, what is this? Scd space, now hyphen n, line number, last line number. What is the dollar? Okay, p. And so what is the file name? Data.txt. Now see here, empty only. Why we are getting only empty? The last line means here empty only. Clear?
Yes,
Let
sir.
me edit sudo vi data.txt. Now I am removing that spaces and all. So now let me remove all spaces. I don't want spaces. So these are the empty. Okay. Now I removed all empty spaces and all empty lines. Escape colon x. Okay. Now cat space data.txt. Now I want to print last line. Now give that. See, this is the command. Last line. Now see here. It will last. Still one more empty line is there. Still one more empty line is there. Now coming to here, I am giving anaconda. Okay. Now see here, anaconda also last line empty only. Cat space anaconda. So this is the last line empty only. Cat space. What is the our own file? Any other file? A.txt, right? Cat space A.txt. There is one file, right? Now I want to last line. scd hyphen n and last line dollar p print and so file name a.txt. Now clear, guys? Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last line. So suppose if you want to print multiple lines, suppose if you want to print multiple lines, sir, I want to print so last line and also fourth line, 4 and last line. Now I have to print it scd hyphen n. So now space, which line? 4 and last line, or I want to sixth line. I want to sixth line. Okay, whatever that is your requirement. A.txt. So a.txt. Now check it. 6 to 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. Now got it? Fourth to 6. Matched or not? First, second, third, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. CC and 5 also DD and 6th. Now clear? This is what is this meaning? Fourth to 6th. Sixth line. Fourth line to sixth line. Now I want to only second to fourth. Now I am giving a second to second line, and I want to third line only. Now see here, it will print only second and third. First line is name, second line is AA, third line is BB. Now clear, guys? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that case, so we can use so this way also. So this is the scd command. So that case also, okay, display all lines expect a specific line. Now I don't want fourth line, remaining all lines I want to display. Okay, I don't want specific line. Now see here, this is my data. I don't want BBB. Remaining all rows I want to display. All lines I want to display. Now tell me, same command only, scd hyphen n. Which line you don't want? Tell me, which line you don't want? మీకు ఏ లైన్ అవసరం, ఏ రో అవసరం లేదు, జస్ట్ నెంబర్ and exclamatory mark P. That's it. And so file name a.txt. Except the third line. Remaining all lines it will print. Check it. Working or not? Except third line. That is nothing but 2 exclamator and P. No, I don't want first line. I don't want that first line. So now check it. Cat space a.txt. Sorry, cat space a.txt. And so now check it. SCD hyphen n. I don't want first line. First line is name, right? Now single quotation 1 exclamatory mark P and space file name a.txt. I don't want first line, remaining all lines. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
Suppose if you want to range, for example, I don't want two lines. I don't want that case. SCD hyphen n. Which line you don't want? Second line I don't want, and also fourth line, or I don't want fifth line. Explanatory mark P. That's it. Now what is this meaning here? Second and fifth line I am excluding. I don't want that. Except second line and fifth line. See here. Now clear? Second to fifth excluded. I excluded. Second, next which third, fourth, fifth. Remaining only it will display. Don't confuse here. Cat space a.txt. నాకు ఎక్కడి నుంచి అవసరం లేదు, సెకండ్ లైన్ నుంచి ఫిఫ్త్ లైన్ వరకు అవసరం లేదు. సో నౌ సీ హియర్, దిస్ వన్ ఐ రిమూవ్డ్, this one I removed, this one I removed, this one also I removed. Now only it will display EE and FF. Clear? That is right, except I don't want second to fifth. That is range of lines. If you want to particular range, I don't want to display, that case we can use this one. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here as of now? Hello?
No, sir.
So,
Now I want to print, so I want to search the string. Let me come to here, cat space data.txt. Now this is my data. Now scd hyphen n. Now I want to search the string. So which string you want to search? For example, I want to search Rama. I want to search Rama slash print. And what is the file name? Data.txt. Now see here, only that line I want to print. So where Rama is available. Now I want to search I want to give a different name. I am giving my name. Now check it here. How many places available here? Now got it? Display all lines having that specific word. So this word where it is matched, that entire line it will display. The entire line it will display. The entire line it will display. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now last interview they asked one question. I want to delete 10th line in the file. How to delete? Now we know, right, how to exclude and all. Now I want to delete the one line. So now this is the file, just assume. So this is the data.txt. Now I want to delete this. I want to delete this line. Particular line. So how to delete? This is the command scd. Which line you want to delete? Tell me. I want to delete, for example, first this line, third line. Okay, 3D. D represents delete. And file name data.txt. Now it is gone or not?
Yes, sir. Deleted.
Deletion. So that case, last interview they asked this question. So they want to delete. So they want to delete only. Suppose if you want to delete permanently. So if you want to delete permanently. So now it is temporarily deleted. Now if you see here cat, again that line is available.
Restore చేసుకోవచ్చా సార్?
already it is available. See here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Third line, right? Temporarily it is deleted. No, sir. I want to delete permanently. Now, how to delete? This is the command. If you want to delete permanently, SCD space -I. -I means deleting record permanently. Delete that record permanently. Which line you want to delete? Tell me. For example, first line I want to delete 1D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Data.txt. Now we can see that name and course. Now cat space data.txt. Now see here. Clear?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Now what is this here? Tell me. So SCD. SCD -N means specific line number. If you want to delete -I. If you want to delete -I permanently. -I. And so search that string. How to search it? Single quotation / string name. So if you want to search it, if you want to search that name, how to search? How to search that name? Slash
Slash single
and string
quotation.
name. For example, whatever I given Rama, right? And slash Rama slash. What is P? P means print file name. So last interview they asked this question. So they want to delete also one line permanently. They want to delete one line permanently. So what is the command? So this is the command. It is searching this word wherever this Rama is available. So if you want to, it is searching here. It is not here. Here it is searching only, right? So it will searching only. If you want to delete, this is the command. SCD space hyphen I space. Next, which line you want to delete? I want to delete only fourth line. 4D, right? Permanently, right? Sorry, this is I and here D, correct? And
Yes, sir.
file. This is last interview they asked this question. Okay, last interview they asked this question. So they have one file, and so I want to delete one line permanently. I don't want to go to that file. If you want to delete manually also, we can go VI command and go to the delete, right? DD command. Without entering that file, I want to delete that particular line. That case, which command we go for? SCD command. SCD space -I space which line? Which line you want to delete? That file
Fourth.
number 5D. D represents delete. D represents delete. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that case we can use this one. Now last week they asked one. For example, I have this file. I have 10 lines. Fifth line I want to delete from fifth line to last line. Now check it here. Very simple. So now it will delete only fourth line, right? It will delete only fourth line. From fourth line, I want to delete. How to? What is the command? This is same command. SCD hyphen I SCD hyphen I, and so from which line? From fourth line.
Fourth
On
line.
fourth line, and so I want to delete up the end of the file. Okay, and file name. Very important. SCD command. Real time also mostly we are using. Now what is this meaning? What is this command? First command, tell me anyone. Only it will delete.
Temporarily, sir.
No. I given I, right? I means
Oh, okay.
permanently.
Permanently. Okay,
Which
sir.
line? Which line?
Fourth.
Fourth line.
Fourth line. Now what is this? What is
File.
this command?
Fi-
4, $D. What is this meaning? From fourth to
Fourth
second delete
to
last.
last work.
It will delete all records from
From
fourth
two
line
to
to last file of end
last.
of the file.
End of the
Very
file.
important. Now check it. Observe carefully. Now cat space data.txt. I will close 1 minute. Now see here SCD hyphen I space. I want to delete third and end of the file $D. That's it. Data.txt. Now clear, guys? What is third line here? From Rama nunchi up to last. Okay? Sorry.
Okay.
What is missing? Hyphen I, right? Sorry, I missed I
Hyphen.
permanently. Okay, deleted. Now check it. Cat space data.txt. Now we can see only 2 lines. Now we can see only 2 lines. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now anyone any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is very, very important, guys. So there is few more options available. So next class I will show you. Okay. So that's it from my side. Okay.